A letter of agreement can be the difference between a smooth business relationship and a costly legal dispute. But what exactly is this document, and when should you use one? A letter of agreement is a legally binding contract that documents the terms of an agreement between two parties. It serves as written evidence of the arrangement, making it easier to resolve any disputes that might arise later. While oral contracts can sometimes be enforceable, having the terms in writing significantly strengthens the legal standing of your agreement. These documents are particularly useful when no formal template exists for your specific situation or when dealing with unique, one-off arrangements. For example, imagine you want to buy a motorbike from a friend before they advertise it publicly. You might give them a deposit and agree on certain conditions about the sale. A letter of agreement would formalize this arrangement, protecting both parties. For a letter of agreement to be valid, it must contain three core components: an offer, acceptance of that offer, and consideration, which is something of value exchanged between the parties. Without these elements, the agreement may not be legally enforceable. Letters of agreement are commonly used in various scenarios. Freelancers often use them to outline project scope, deliverables, and payment terms. Small businesses might draft one for partnership arrangements. They're also valuable for intellectual property usage, vendor relationships, preliminary real estate discussions, and event planning services. The benefits extend beyond just legal protection. These documents provide clarity about expectations, simplify the negotiation process, and offer a cost-effective alternative to more complex contracts. Even in informal relationships, they can prevent misunderstandings and disputes. Creating a letter of agreement is straightforward. Typically, the party making the offer writes the letter on standard letterhead. Begin by stating the names of all parties involved, the date, and contact information. In the body, list the main points of the agreement with specific, thorough details. This might include items for sale, services to be provided, payment terms, or space for rent. While keeping the document concise, you may want to include provisions for jurisdiction, attorney fees, amendments, choice of law, and other standard legal clauses. Many of these can use boilerplate language. Once drafted, send the letter to the other party with instructions to either sign it or return it with requested revisions. Both parties should sign and date the document under an acknowledged and agreed heading. Each party should keep a final signed copy for their records. For clarity and professionalism, use plain language rather than complex legal terminology. Be specific about obligations and expectations. Stay organized with bullet points or numbered lists, and always review carefully for errors or omissions. A letter of agreement has the same legal validity as a traditional contract when it includes all essential elements. Courts can and do uphold these documents in disputes, particularly when they show clear intent to form a binding arrangement. In some cases, these letters are used to settle debts for less than the amount owed, sometimes called a scheme of arrangement. When the debtor is insolvent, a deed of arrangement might be used instead, with the purpose of preventing bankruptcy. Whether you're hiring a contractor, forming a business partnership, or making a personal arrangement, a well-crafted letter of agreement provides peace of mind and legal protection. By clearly documenting the terms that both parties have agreed to, you create a valuable reference point that can help maintain positive relationships and avoid costly litigation.